Forward, reverse. All right, lock it up now. Easy. It's feeding down right now. Okay. All right. Oh, he's got the set on it. Okay, clicked out. Here's your rise. And that was a fall. Do a gear change here for you. There's also some spindle speed that you can change in this range too. On here you can clock that change. Why don't you switch one of them around?
It's very minute.
Yeah. Okay. And then if you like egg in your beer, here you go, guys. We counted 118 drills here, and they go from over 2.5, like 2.25H, down to 1/2 inch. So I don't know if you've priced out a 2-inch, 2.5-inch drill bit lately, but you can find out. There's thousands of dollars worth of drills here. So anyways, you get the opportunity to have it all in one deal. It's an OOYA, which to me is the Cadillac of radial arm drills. You got a you got a plate here. I'll show you. So we're not hiding any huge holes underneath this. There's some scarring on this, which is kind of a shame. But it's got a work light. It's got a coolant pump. Coolant pump clicks on. There's no coolant in it to test it, but it does turn on. And the specifications will be on our site. Thank you for watching.